Parrot Mini Drone is a small, lightweight quadcopter or sometimes hybrid drone designed and manufactured by Parrot, a French electronics company known for consumer drones. They are intended primarily for recreational use, offering a fun and accessible flying experience for beginners, hobbyists, and children. Parrot Mini Drone is very compact and light. It is built for indoor and light outdoor use. It is made with durable plastic and protective propeller guards. It is great for learning basic drone controls and aerial stunts. It is very easy to fly. Parrot Mini Drone is controlled via smartphone or a tablet using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi with the FreeFlight Mini app. Some models support the Parrot Flypad controller for better precision. Parrot Mini Drone has a basic camera in some models, often 480p. It has sensors for stability and altitude control. It can lose signal in large outdoor areas or with obstructions. It does not have GPS, follow me, return to home, or obstacle avoidance in most models.